If you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy A57, then pretty much the only way to do so is by using a USB cable. Only wired method works with this phone. Unfortunately, we cannot charge this phone wirelessly. It simply does not support wireless charging. So the best way to charge your phone with a USB cable is, of course, with the power adapter or charger. Ideally, you want to use 45 watts power adapter, a original one, made by Samsung, but of course it is not really necessary to have specifically a Samsung power adapter. And of course, in order to start charging, you just connect it to the USB-C port that we have at the bottom of the phone, and there we go, it works straight away. Now, in case you do not have a power adapter just yet, you didn't buy it yet, it didn't come yet, or something like that, then alternatively, you can use pretty much anything else that provides power via USB cord. So this can be, for example, your computer or laptop, although usually it is pretty slow. This can be, for example, a power bank. This can be your car, and this can be even other devices. So if other devices have the option to charge other devices, then of course you can also connect your Samsung Galaxy A57. But of course, the best solution would be to use the power adapter. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.